so excited to be here today to talk about our January 2022 All Access. I'm Brianna, and I'm here with Lauren.
Hi, everyone.
And we want to wish y'all a Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. It's 2022.
Here is to 2022 being a wonderful year for everybody, and we are kicking it off with a bang, with a really fun All Access issue for you this month with lots of great collections. Let's go ahead and kick it off with one of our embroidery collections from this month. Now, y'all know that I'm a cat girl all the way, but I have to admit that these dog designs are beautiful. These are all hand-drawn and hand-digitized by our artists and our digitizers, so every stitch really stitches out so beautiful and very lifelike, as you can see here. Some beautiful embroidered designs that you could put on anything. Make one to match your favorite pup, or maybe for a wonderful gift for someone else, for a dog lover in your life. These come in a variety of different breeds here for you, so I'm sure you can find one that's going to fit your favorite dog.
So I have these Teapot cozies that are just adorable. I absolutely love these. They have beautiful embroidery designs on them. This one has a little cute saying. It says, "Life is short, do the stuff that matters." And then some of them have just really beautiful embroidery on it. So lots of different options. This is a really fun project. Now this one is made in the hoop, but then will also have some sewing steps as well. But I love this project. It's just really fun.
This is an adorable quilting collection from this month, you guys. This one is our Fancy Flock. So this is just showing you one of the beautiful blocks included here and how you can actually take this and turn it into this really beautiful pot holder or trivet. These beautiful blocks feature applique and embroideries for some really fun, beautiful designs with these roosters and some fancy little scroll designs there to create your fancy flock.
Now, Brianna, I loved this one so much that I went and made my own, and look how cute mine is. So I finished my quilt off with some red fabric, and I really just think it makes it pop a little bit more, but it's beautiful. It has a little bit of a crazy quilt block in there as to kind of separate out the different designs. So this is definitely one I love, but I know everybody else out there will love as well.
Absolutely. It's beautiful either way you do it, and you could even make it your own by choosing your own colors and fabrics.
Now, speaking of love, okay, it is that time of year where we have to start thinking about the ones we love. And I have the perfect collection for Valentine's Day that is going to approach us next month, and that is lace hearts. Now, this project collection is absolutely gorgeous. You make these freestanding lace hearts all in the hoop, but what's really beautiful about them is we've added organza as an applique in there too, so they have this very sheer, dainty look to them. And you can do a lot with these. You can add a little love note and leave it for your sweetheart. You can make little placemats or little tablescapes with these as well. You can add a little Valentine and give it to your loved ones. So these are really fun projects and fairly easy because this is one where your machine does all the work.
These are our yarn carry bags. These are so cute with these fun little sayings dedicated to all of our wonderful crafters out there. So this one says, "If I can't bring my yarn, I'm not going." So you can see how they have this wonderful little handle here, and they just have a little bottom where you can sit your yarn in there and take it right around with you as you run your errands or go, if you got to wait somewhere, you know, at the doctor's office, the dentist office, anywhere, you can always bring your yarn with you. And look at this adorable one with this little sheep guy. He's so fuzzy. I love cute and easy little projects.
Those bags are so cute, and even if you didn't need to carry your yarn, but you wanted to carry some thread or some of your notions to sewing class, that would be equally as adorable for
Absolutely, that's a great idea.
I love it. This is called the Mini Stained Glass Quilt Collection. So these are smaller quilting blocks, and we picked fabrics that had an effect that kind of looked like stained glass. So we stitched out all of our blocks, and then we made a beautiful pillow out of them, used some really fun fringe. So this pillow is ready to gift or to keep for ourselves and use to decorate our home. But I really love this one. Definitely has a little bit of a different look to it. It's kind of modern, kind of vintage, everything that you want wrapped up in one. Go to AnitaGoodesign.com. You can get more information on our club memberships and how to sign up. Or, of course, you can always contact us here at customerexperience@anita-gooddesign.com, and you can talk to one of our representatives. Thank you all so much for joining us for January's flip through. We are so excited about 2022. Their amount of collections that you are going to be amazed over are coming your way.
Thanks, y'all. Hope to see you again next month.
Bye, everybody.